Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RXMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame, think that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Not only a very nice movement today from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above 0.058. Now don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 0.058, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can somehow manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Next level of support after that, down here at 0.052. So nearer term, up here at 0.06 and then 0.052. I lied, 0.058 was that original one. And then down here at 0.052. So those are going to be those near-term levels of support. But taking a step back and looking at things from a big picture perspective, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. As time goes by, this purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a very simplistic point of view, assuming that you're just saying, Clay, look, how do I gauge the health of the move? This right here being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above it, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How are you going to best visualize that? No questions asked. What about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, the party stopped today up here at 0.066. So 0.066 key level of resistance going forward. But all in all, I don't want to say that breaking levels of resistance levels don't matter. But, you know, it really doesn't matter because as long as the price keeps on building higher lows, everything else will take care of itself. I mean, when you stop and think about it, if a price is building higher lows, then literally the chart runs out of room and the price has to go higher, aka resistance levels will be broken. So focus on building higher lows and then you can just sit back and let the chart do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.